Economic benefits of Patna Marine Drive. The Patna Marine Drive, officially known as a Ganga Path, is one of the most significant infrastructure development in Bihar. Stretching along the southern bank of the Ganga River, this expressway and riverfront corridor is designed not only to reduce the traffic congestion but also stimulate economic growth across Patna and neighboring region. The project has already begun transforming the city's socio-economic landscape in the multiple ways, making it a catalyst for urban modernization. One of the Patna's most prominent economic benefit of the Patna Marine Drive is its impact on the real estate development. The corridor has increased the value of land and property in the surrounding area, attracting both the public and the private investments. New residential complexes and a commercial hub and a mixed-use development are emerging along the route. This has encouraged construction activities, generating employment opportunity for engineers, laborers, architects, and a contractor. As the demand of housing and office spaces near the expressway rises, the real estate sector is expected to experience sustained growth. Another major benefit is the improvement in connectivity and transportation efficiency. Patna has long faced challenges from a heavy traffic and overcrowded roads. The Marine Drive acts as an alternative high-speed route, reducing travel time between key parts of the city such as Digha, Danapur, and Patna Junction. Better connectivity lowers transportation costs for businesses, facilitates smoother movement of goods, and improves access to markets. This makes Patna more attractive to investors and help local industries expand their operations. The Marine Drive also contributes significantly to the tourism and service economy. Inspired by the concept of Mumbai's Marine Drive, it offers scenic riverfront view that encourages recreational activity. The development of parks, cycling paths, food courts, and the cultural spaces along the corridor enhances the Patna appeal as a tourist destination, increased tourist footfall, stimulated growth in sectors such as hospitals, retail, transport, and entertainment. Local vendors and small businesses benefit as visitors spend on food, souvenirs, and services. Furthermore, the project has potential to boost the trade and commerce. With improved road infrastructure, logistics become more reliable and encouraging businesses to set up warehouses, wholesale market, and distributing centers near the corridor. This can significantly enhance Patna's role as a trade hub for Eastern India. In the long term, the Marine Drive would attract large-scale investment in sectors such as IT parks, corporate offices, and institutional establishment. Additionally, the project has positive effect on employment generation from construction phases on ongoing maintenance. The Marine Drive creates jobs across a skill and unskilled category. As a new businesses emerging along the corridor, employment opportunity will further expand in retail, tourism, and real estate. Lastly, the Patna Marine Drive contributes to urban beneficiations and environmental value, which indirectly support economic growth. A cleaner and a more organized riverfront improves the city's image, increases civic pride, and makes it more attractive for investor and residents. Last but not the least, the Patna Marine Drive is more than a road project. It is an economic engine for Patna. Its wide-ranging benefit in real estate, connectivity, tourism, and trade and employment make it a transformative development with the long-term potential for the regional prosperity.